local government units, other localities, other citizens of other provinces and cities look up to the city of Baguio. Let us not allow corrupt politicians, extortionist politicians, magnanakaw na politicians to destroy that. At mga sinungaling na politiko na sirain yan, reputation na yan. This should serve as a lesson to all those corrupt politicians at yung mga trapo na politicians o trapo. They cannot play with the minds of the Baguio people. Mabuti na lang maraming matatalinong mga botante sa syudad ng Baguio. At mabuti na lang na mas marami ang hindi naniwala. Because at the end of the day, that is the truth. That is the truth. That your mayor and the rest of the good governance politicians are here to make sure that we maintain and sustain this good governance reputation.